The strands of your fate are complex. They bend and weave and knot themselves in a cluster of ley lines, the likes I've never seen before. I see your paths deeply intertwined with others. They are incredibly bright. Whoever or what these other strands are, I cannot say for sure, but one thing that holds true is they are inseparable from the fates of your own. For better or for worse.
Jackson Huxley reporting in for Absalom Station Radio. Howdy, y'all. This is Harley bringing you news about the swarm.
Swarm activity continues to head towards the inner planets. May Sarenrae guide us. The Star Rangers are heroes, and they saved my life. I'll admit, our forum is a tad eccentric. Maybe we would be listeners, but no,
Quiet!